Hi, welcome to Xkweesit. Today we'll make this crimson shade bracelet. Before I forget, please remember to subscribe to our channel Xkweesit for more of such content. Thank you. We'll be using 7 types of bicones. We start with bicones 4mm jet black, bicones 4mm AB black, bicones 4mm silver, bicones 4mm hematite, bicones 4mm garnet, bicones 4mm crimson, bicones 5mm fire red, we'll be using the 0.25 nylon thread to string this bracelet. As for the findings, we'll be using a lobster clasp, extension, crimp caps, jumprings, and also 2 seed beads. First, we'll measure our string. First, we'll measure the wrist length, and normally the string will be 6 times the wrist length. Cut the string. Then we'll put the 2 ends together to fold the string into half. And then we'll find the middle loop. Find the middle loop. Then we'll tie the string into a knot. Insert a seed bead, insert a crimp cap, we'll then cut the excess string, which is the loop. We'll then fuse the knot with fire. Close the crimp cap. Attach a jump ring to the crimp cap. Attach an extension to the jump ring. close the jump ring. Now we can start beading. We start by weaving a black bicone. Followed by 2 bicones on each side. Weave a black bicone. Now 2 silver bicones on each side and weave a silver bicone. 2 hematite bicones on each side and weave a hematite bicone. Again 2 hematite bicones on each line and weave an AB black bicone. 2 AB black bicones on each side and weave an AB black bicone. Left AB black, right garnet, weave a garnet bicone. 1 garnet bicone on each line, weave a garnet bicone. Again 1 garnet bicone on each line, weave a garnet bicone again. Now 1 crimson bicone on each line, weave a crimson bicone. Again crimson bicone on each line and weave a crimson bicone. Left fire red, right crimson, weave a fire red bicone. Again 1 fire red bicone on each line, weave a fire red bicone. Left fire red bicone, right crimson bicone, weave a crimson bicone. A crimson bicone on each line, weave a crimson bicone. Again crimson bicones on each line, weave a garnet bicone. We are now doing the second half of the bracelet. Again a garnet bicone on each line, weave a garnet bicone. Another time a garnet bicone on each line and weave a garnet bicone. Now on the left we have a black AB, on the right the garnet, weave a black AB bicone. Again black AB bicones on each side, weave a black AB bicone. Now 1 hematite bicone on each side, weave a hematite bicone. A hematite bicone on each side again, weave a silver bicone. A silver bicone on each line, weave a black bicone. A black bicone on each line, and we are at our last bead, a black bicone. So our last bicone would be a black one. We'll weave a black bicone. Now we'll tie a knot after the black bicone. We'll insert a crimp cap. We'll insert a seed bead through both lines. Now we'll tie a triple knot. Cut the excess strings. Fuse knot with fire. Close the crimp cap. Attach a jump ring to the crimp cap. Attach a lobster clasp to the jump ring, and we'll close the jump ring. Here you go. Our crimson shade bracelet is complete. Crafting is piece made by hand. And this is how it looks like on my hand. Once again, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.